You spent one entire day in the SNR. And then we got Kool-Aid. It's great flavor. Let's try it. And let's try Kool-Aid for the very first time.
Makina sa likod eh. Ako, biglang nag-18,000.
Oh my gosh, I think I have to put more Kool-Aid.
Parang dahil pa ako nung nasa kinabahay. Ay, pinacheck na namin sa Meralco. Tama, hindi naman nung pinatay lahat. Zero. Hindi na ikot. Kaya sabi nila, nanakin ka na. Kaya sabi nila, okay lang. Ang baka may problema yung money niya. Ngayon sabi naman ng kilala ni Daddy na dati nagtatrabaho sa Meralco na retired na. Titingnan muna. Huwag muna kami magbukas kasi Carlin niya man. Mahal. Kulang si kami namin pag ipapahanap ka namin. Kaya sabi,
I forgot where I put my Kool-Aid.
Here, why? What happened? What do you need?
Okay. I keep forgetting. Hello po! Kakain akong, I'm actually drinking Kool-Aid. Nay!
Magmamali yan. Hindi natawag. Kaya pala.
Nakaenda! Sorry! Make up! I feel fantastic. I stupid fantastic. Na. You can see the grape color, but I need to add one more drip. Okay. I hope I did not put too much, because I'm gonna die. It tastes heavenly. This is good. You want a sip? Give you a sip. Just a bit, because you're gonna die. Well, if I'm invincible, I'll survive COVID-19, the new virus, which has been from like 8 years ago, and then like yeah, and I got every sickness possible. And then last time I literally got, it was literally bleeding right over here. Well, I was just riding, and then I just hit it so hard that I didn't even realize until I checked, and then there was literally blood on my hand. And so I just wanted to make around and oh, I can see blood. Yeah.
We're going to post it on your YouTube channel.
Kaya nga. Pero bakit may video ako? Ang asip. But the powder so asip.
Ayoko. Oo, gusto ko yun. Pero sa bahay, may masyadong
Yung pag ganun.
Kasi may sa'yo. Hawak mo ito. Oh. Mag-ayos akong table eh. Ano, nalaglag.
Bye-bye. But please like and subscribe. We were literally in the adventure time and we were in the SNR. This is after drinking that. I think I'm gonna take a bomb. Eating up bombs right now. Like actual bombs. I'm joking, I'm actually taking a poop.
Hindi po.
Aray ko! My bucket!
May kulit mo ko.
Ano mo na kain dahil? Kaya tatay ko, ano ha? Kala ko dinala ni na dada yung...
Kasi may magdadalawang vlog yan. Sabi ni Mamay sa...
Please like and subscribe. This is the end of the video. Bye.